What are you looking at?
Okay, hey. Apparently, Megan sniffed some root beer.
No,
and
she's really hyper.
I sniffed her. She sniffed me, and now she's high. I want to try that again. Oh. Go around looking for treasure. Soy sauce?
Sorry.
Yeah, you can be sorry when my mom yells at us.
I sorry.
Go look around for treasure. I have to show this to Jack so bad.
I'm going to.
I'll send it to you.
Well, guys, it's 4:10. Yeah. How are you today?
It's 4:10 in the morning.